During the session, there will be activities to get involved in and opportunities to meet leaders from other schools. The main part of each session will be a talk by an influential Australian leader. During this talk, you can take notes with the booklet that will be given to you. Make sure to bring your own pen with you though. After the talk, students in the audience will be able to ask questions to the speaker. Halogen team members will be in the crowd with microphones, and their job is to find a variety of different questions. Now this bit will be tricky because there will be hundreds of people wanting to ask questions, but only time to answer a few. The first step to asking a question is to make sure you have it written down. There will be a special section of the notes page for you to do this. You simply stay in your seat and the Halogen team will come and find you. You might not see someone from the Halogen team near you. The reason is they will focus on different sections of the room during different speakers. This is one of the ways we can keep it fair. There may also be a situation where a Halogen team member looks at your question, but unfortunately doesn't allow you to ask it. We promise this isn't personal. Part of their job is to make sure that they find questions that aren't too similar to the ones that have been asked throughout the day, and questions that we know that the speakers are going to be comfortable answering. We do need to be honest and point out that not everybody is going to get to ask a question. Our best advice is to focus on what's going on the stage and the answer that the speaker is already giving. If you spend the entire time focused on asking your question, you may miss some of their main points, and this kind of defeats the purpose of the entire thing. We need you to trust us. We have a system in place that makes it fair for everybody. This is one of our favourite parts of the National Young Leaders Day, and we think you're going to love it too.